And if the bulls continue to buy, then it can also break out the channel and make some new higher high. Hey, welcome back to the channel, and I am back again with another crypto market analysis video. Starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin at present is bearish. As you can see the trend lines I have drawn, it's in a consolidation zone. Today since the morning there is no specific volume, but yesterday on 27th there were some huge buying, but it didn't affect the trend that much. And this week Bitcoin touched the resistance level of 49,370 twice, as you can see the trend line I have drawn. And it's also not taking any support of the 50 moving average. But it seems like tomorrow it will take support of the 50 moving average, or can cross and go below the moving average, because the RSI is between 48 and 50. So I wouldn't suggest you to buy or short any position, as there is no sign of reversal or breakout for now. Next, coming up on Ethereum. Ethereum too is in a consolidation zone. And yesterday we saw some small buying, and after which there were a couple green huge candles seen. But today there is not much buying and selling, due to which Ethereum is not moving. RSI is between 45 and 48. And as you can see Ethereum is taking support at 50 moving average, so we can predict a downtrend or reversal in the next couple of hours. Solana is following an uptrend because the big fishes are strongly buying since this week, and its 7-day growth is 7.7% to 8%. The RSI is 75 to 79, so it's not that overbought. And it's also not taking any support on the 50 moving average. And as you can see the channel I have drawn, so it's an uptrend. And if the bulls continue to buy, then it can also break out the channel and make some new higher high. So I would suggest you a long position and hold it, because as per the signal Solana is not going down for a couple of days. That's all. Thank you for patient listening. And before leaving, make sure you like this video, channel. We will keep bring market updates very soon.